Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix data transfer cannot be completed on your iPhone. If you want to transfer your data from one to another iPhone and it's showing this type of error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly you have to close this page, and after that what you need to do is just simply open setting, and then you have to scroll it on, and then you have to tap on general. Now from here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and firstly make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone in which you have transferred your data. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply close this page. Okay guys, so you have to charge your both devices, and then you have to restart your device. For that, open setting, now scroll it on from here. Now from here you have to tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on shutdown. Now from here you have to slide the slider to the right side, and after that what you need to do is just simply close this page from here, and after that you have to open settings again, and now from here you have to tap on general again, and then you have to make sure that if your both devices up to date to the latest version. If you have any pending update on your both devices, then you have to update your devices to the latest version, and after that you have to open settings again. Then you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and from here make sure that you have strong enough connection with Wi-Fi. If you don't have, then you have to restart your Wi-Fi router, and then you have to turn it on again, and after that check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if a POM cell exists there, then what you need to do is just simply reset network setting on both devices. For that you have to open settings, then scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone. From here you have to tap on reset network setting. So you have to complete the process on both devices by following this way. Just simply tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. And after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.